Okay. Teach Papa some letters.
M.
What?
V.
V. Yes, very good. Huh? Where is A? Apple. Where is A? Okay, point. Stand up, stand up. Stand up. You know. Point letter A. Where's letter A? Where is letter A? A, apple. Where? B mo na. Teach Papa, be. Q? What? Yes, O.
P.
Yes, P.
Q.
U.
Q.
Q, yes.
O.
R, yes, very good.
J.
J, yes.
I.
Each one.
D.
Yes.
D.
Yes, G.
D.
J, yes.
I.
Yes, very good.
I.
Yes, I. Wow, L. L.
F.
F? Wow.
D.
D, yes.
Apple.
Where apple? Where's apple?
A.
Yes, A.
D. D.
Where's M?
D.
Where's G? Where's G? Where's G? Where's G? You know, point letter G.
D.
Wow. Where is... Oh, wait. Where is letter S? S. What's that? Where is W? Okay, point W. Wow. X. Wow. Ang S. Where's letter S?
V.
Oh, V din eh.
X.
Wow, X. Okay.
V.
Z.
Y.
Y? Wow.
Papa. Papa.
Yes. Where is letter S? S. Amang S. Letter S. Amang S.
I.
Yes, I.
K.
Yes, K.
L.
L. Where is letter E?
B.
B. Ang E. Where is E? Oh. Where is letter C? C ba? C. C. Where is letter M? Nalingag na. Ang M. Ang M. Ang M. Where's letter M?